Hi everyone, this is Peter from Peter Tech. Today what I have here is a Trijicon ACOG 3x30. Okay, and on my right hand I have Trijicon RMR red dot. Okay, and so today what I want to do is that I want to mount this one on top of the ACOG. Of course I need a mounting plate, which is this one. Okay, it's a Trijicon mounting plate. Okay, and it also comes with the two mounting screw. Yep, the mounting screw is the longer one. I have in another video to show you. So the first step is that we mount the RMR to the plate first, and after that we mount the whole kit to the ACOG. The package suggests that I use this screw that comes with it to mount the RMR to the plate. This is how it's gonna mount on the ACOG, just like that, and you see it should fit perfectly and lace perfectly on the ACOG with no gap right there. Okay, so first step, mounting the RMR to the plate. Of course, this is how we install the battery, and you may want to make sure that your battery is new if it's old already, because otherwise in the future if you want to replace the battery then you have to remove it from the plate itself. Okay, the surface is somehow anti-rusting, so I'm not gonna put any oil on this one, especially because it touched directly with with all the circuit and with everything here. I prefer not to have any liquid or oil on it in this case. Okay, I'm gonna clean it first. Okay, and I'm just gonna install it on top of this one, just like that, dry, no oil, nothing. And the manual suggests that for this screw I use the torque of 15, so I'm going to use the 15 as well for this small screw right here. Okay, and that's why I adjust it to 15. I'm gonna alternatively screw the left and the right. Until it starts to sit on it. Okay, this screw is the star, it's not hex screw. So I think that's the difference between the screw that come with the Trijicon and the screw that come with the set. Okay, so that is it, 15. Okay, it's really bright right there, big bright. Okay, so next step is, of course, install the whole package onto the ACOG. Same thing, line it up. This one doesn't have much of the Loctite, so I'm gonna add my Loctite on this one. I have the blue Loctite here. Oh, this is too big. You see? This is big and I don't like it when they have slide like that. I don't like it. So in this case, I'm gonna hand screw it in. With the provided hex screw. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that after I hand tie it, right, I'm gonna just turn it another quarter turn, and that's all we're gonna do. Okay, so this is about less than a quarter turn, like 45-degree turn. Oh, actually, I think it's pretty tight already, so I'm not gonna go more than that. Okay. No, I don't think necessary to go more than that. I already have Loctite as well. So this is before I tie it, and this is after. Probably 15 degrees more after I hand tie it. Yep. That's pretty sturdy. I don't think it's gonna move. Yep. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.